am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Solved.
In the expenses worksheet, calculate row total for each expense item in the range F5 to F9. Calculate columns total for each quarter and the annual total in the range B10 to F10. Be sure that F6 to F9 are formatted with comma star with 0 decimal places. Okay, basically this question in the expenses worksheet. Now then we will calculate total for each expense item in the range F5 to F9. First we will click on cell F5 and then we will calculate the row total for each expense item. Enter sum function. Click on F5, press is equal to, moving on Excel workbook, then we will click on cell F5. Okay, calculate row total for each expense item in the range F5 to F9. Click on cell F5, press is equal to, enter sum function, press sum function, and then we will enter all these 4 quarters, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Okay, B5 to E5, you can see this. Okay, for annual total, press is equal to, enter sum function, and then we will add this all quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, P5 to E5, all this range, and then we will press enter. It will be find annual total is here. Then we will, okay, total for each. Then we will scroll down, or you can copy the function to the F9. This is good now. Now moving on next question and next step for this question. Calculate columns total for each quarter and for the annual total in the range B10 to F10. Now we will calculate the total for each quarter and then for annual total in the range B10 to F10. Okay, in this step we will calculate the total for each quarter. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. Click on cell B10, press is equal to, enter sum function. Enter sum function, enter this range B5 to B9. You can see this. For total by quarter, press is equal to, enter sum function, and then we will enter this range B5 to B9. Okay, then we will press enter and it will be find total by quarter in cell B10. Then copy the function through B8 to F10. B10 to F10. This is good. Now you can see this. I have done this question. Now next step for this question is that be sure that F6 to F9 are the formatted with comma style with 0 decimal places. Okay, first we enter this range and then go to the editing number group. Okay, enter this range, go to the number group and then apply comma style and decrease decimal places. You can see in the number group increase and decrease decimal places. Now we will decrease decimal places with 0 decimal places. Okay, this is good. Now I have done this question very well. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. Moving on, question number 3. In cell G5, construct a formula to calculate the percent of total by dividing the annual total by salary and benefits by the annual total for quarters. Use absolute cell references as necessary. Format the result as percent style and then center fill the formula down through cell G9. Basically in this question, first we will click on cell G5, construct a formula to calculate the percent of total by dividing the annual total for salary and benefits by the annual total for all quarters. Okay, you can see this question first, then we will have to apply on Excel workbook and then we will construct a formula to calculate the percent of total by dividing the annual total for salary and benefits by annual total for all quarters. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. Moving on Excel workbook and then click on cell G5. Okay, click on cell G5 and then we will construct a formula to calculate the percent of. Moving on Excel workbook. Click on cell G5, press is equal to, then we will construct a formula dividing by annual total, dividing by total by quarters. You can see this. press is equal to and cell G5. Okay, dividing by annual totals. Okay, annual total dividing by total by quarters, and then we will press enter. It will be find percent of total in cell G5. Use absolute cell references as accessible format. These are percent style and then center, okay, use absolute cell references for dollar sign, dollar f dollar. Okay, then we percent it will be find percent of totals. Okay, then format the result in percent style and then the center. Okay, format the result is percent style. Go to the number group and then we will apply percent style on this result. Go to the number group and apply percent style. Okay, go to the alignment and then apply center, and then fill the formula down through cell G9. Fill the formula down through cell G9. We will copy the formula through cell G9. Fill down the formula through cell G9. This is good now. You can see on my PC screen. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Moving on, question number 4. You can see on my instruction file. In question number 4, use a 3D pie chart to chart annual total for each item. Move the chart to new sheet and then name the sheet's annual expenses chart. Use a 3D pie chart to chart the annual total for each item. Then we will move the chart to new sheet. Then the new sheet chart name is annual expenses chart. Use a 3D pie chart to chart the annual total for each item. We will select annual total column, moving an Excel workbook, and then we will select annual total column. Okay, sorry, we will select for all annual total, and then go to the insert tab. Okay, first we will select this column and then we will select annual total column, and then we will go to the insert tab. Click on insert tab. In the charts group, we will click on pie chart. Click on 3D pie chart. 3D pie chart will be inserted, and then click on charts and then move the chart to new sheet annual expenses chart. We will copy this name annual expenses chart, and then we will have to move this chart to new sheet is annual expenses chart. We will copy this chart name, go to the move chart, click on move chart, and okay, click on move chart, and then we will new chart sheet name is annual expenses chart. Okay, click on OK. This chart will be moved on new sheet annual expenses chart. You can see this chart will be moved. Now moving on next question. Is question number 5. I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. Moving on question number 5. As the text for the chart title elements tab summary for annual expense, add the change font size to 28. Basically this question we will have to add a chart title. Chart title is that summary of annual expenses. You can copy this first summary of annual expenses. You can see we will have to copy of this chart title, and then moving on Excel workbook, then click on chart title, and then we will have to add this chart title is annual. Okay, click on chart title and we will tap, or you can copy and paste here summary of annual expenses chart title. Then change the font size to 28. Okay, select this chart title, go to the home tab. In the font group, click in the font group, and then the font size to 28. First we will click on chart title, then we will have to add this chart title summary of annual expenses. Now we will go to the home tab. First we will select this chart, go to the home tab in the font group, and then we will select this font size to 28. You can see this, go to the home tab, and the font group is 28 font size of this chart title. Okay, it will be applied. You can see this is good now. Now moving on, next question is question number 6. I have done 5 questions of this assignment right now. Please follow my video and subscribe my channel and like my video. Question number 6 is that remove the legends from the chart and then add data labels formatted so that only the categories name and percentage display position in the center. Format the data label by applying a font size style of bold and italic and font size of 12. Change the font color in the first column. Click the first color. Basically, in this question, first we will remove the legend from the charts. Okay. Right click on this chart on plus sign and then click on legend, and legend will be removed on this chart. And then add a data label formatted so that only the categories name and percentage display position in the center. Okay. Then we will go to the data label. Okay. Add data label percentage display. Okay. Category name and percentage. Category names and percentage will be displayed and then in the position in the center, and then format the data labels by applying a font style of bold and italic. First we will moving on Excel workbook, click on this chart and then remove the legend. Click on charts, click on plus sign, click on legend. Okay, remove the legends. Then we will have to add our data labels formatted so that only the categories name and percentage display position in the center. Moving on Excel workbook, click on charts, click on plus sign, click on data labels, click on more options. Now we will show categories names and then percentage. Okay. Format the data label or applying a font style of bold and italic. Then remove the values. Okay, this is good now. Then go to the home tab and then we will apply bold on this font style. First we will select this all data labels. Okay, applying a font style and bold and italic on font size of 12. First we will select this all data labels and then we will go to the home tab. Go to the home tab and font group, apply bold, apply italic, and then we will apply font size to 12. Go to the font size, then click on 12. You can see this. First we will select this data labels, go to the home tab in the font group. First I have applied bold and then second I have applied bold and italic, then go to the font size and then apply 12 on 12 font size on this data label. You can see this is good now. Okay, data size will be increased to 12. Then change the font color in the first column. Click the first color. Okay, go to the font color in the first column in the first color. Then we will go to the home tab. First we will select this data label, then go to the home tab, go to the font color. In the first column, in the first color is black text one font color, sorry, white background one font color. This is good now. You can see this. I have done this question very well. Please follow my video and subscribe my channel. Moving on question number 7, I have done 6 questions of this assignment right now. Moving on question number 7, you can see on my PC screen I am doing this assignment for my art student. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade, and please hire me for your weekly quizzes, hire me for your weekly assignments, for exams and for a complete course. I am also handling many students courses on Cengage, Blackboard, Pearson and many more colleges, universities and schools. Okay, question number 7 is that, you can see on my PC screen, question number 7 is that format the data series using a 3D format effect. Change the top bevel and bottom bevel under bevel. In the first row, apply the first bevel effect. Set the top and bottom bevel width and height to 100 pt. Okay. Basically in this question, format the data series using 3D formats effect. Okay. We will select data series using 3D format effect. Change the top bevel and bottom bevel under bevel in the first row. Apply the first bevel effect, set the top and bottom bevel width and height to 100 point. Format the data series using 3D formats. Right click on this chart, click on format data series. Okay, and then change the top 3D. First we will click on fill color and then go to the 3D formats. Click on 3D formats, and then we will change the top bevel and bottom bevel under bevel in the first row. Okay, change the top bevel and bottom bevel under in the first row. Apply the first bevel effect. Top bevel and bottom bevel in the apply first bevel effect. You can see this bevel effect is here. Here is first bevel effect for top bevel and for bottom bevel for first bevel effect. You can see this. Set the top and bottom bevel with the height to 100 pt. We will set this width of this top bevel and bottom bevel width to 100 points. Okay, you can set this width of top bevel and bottom bevel to 100 points. You can see this width. Now bottom bevel width and height is 100 points. Now go to the bottom bevel width and heights. We will change this width and height of bottom bevel 100 points, and then we will set this width of height. Okay, you can see this. First I have set top bevel to first effect of bevels, then bottom bevel to the set the first effect of this bevel, and then I have to set this width and height for top bevel and bottom bevel. Top bevel is 100 points width and top bevel 100 points height, and then I have to set this width of bottom bevel. Width is 100 point and then height is 100 points. Okay, this is good. Now you can see this. Now close this formats pane. Now moving on question number 8. I have done 7 questions of this assignment right now. You can see on the PC screen. Please follow my video and subscribe my channel. Question number 8 is that display the series option and then set the angle of first slice to 125 so that the salaries and benefits slice in the font of pi. Select the salaries and benefits slice and then explore the slice 10%. Basically in this question you can see first this. Display the series option and then set the angle of first slice to 120 so that the series and benefit slice is in the front of pi. Okay, basically in this question first we will display the series option and then we will set the angle of first slice to 125 and then that the series and benefit slice is the front of pi. Then we select the series and benefit slice and then we explore the slice to 10 point. Then we select this 2 slice series and benefit slice and then we will explore the slice to 10%. Okay, you can see this. Click on series 1, angle of first slice to, you can see this angle of first slice to 125. Set the angle of first slice to 125. You can set this angle 125. We will have to set this angle right now. You can see this. We will tap 125 degree. Okay, then we will select next 2 slice. Okay, now we will have to select this series and benefit slice and then explore this slice to 10%. Now we will have to select this 2 slice, series slice and benefit slice, and then we will explore the slice to 10%. Okay, series slice. First we will slice series slice and benefit slice and then we will explore 10%. You can see this, it will be series and benefit slice to 10%. Okay, this is good. Now you can see on my PC screen I have done 90% of this assignment. For remaining question and if you want to do for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I am also handling many students courses on Cengage, Blackboard, Pearson and many more colleges and universities. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Writing, Economics, C++, Java, Python and many more online courses. Please add me for your weekly assignments. Please add me for your weekly quizzes. For your complete course, I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, Java, C++ and many more courses. I will provide you A+ grade, no plagiarism, and I will provide you very reasonable prices. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel to my all students. I will help you in your futures. I will upload complete course on my YouTube channel and I will upload complete videos on my YouTube channel for this course. I will help you and please subscribe my channel. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can handle your complete course with A+ grade. Thank you so much to my all students. Best of luck. Thank you so much.